Welcome back guys to another video. Today I will be playing hide and seek extreme with my friend Nate again.
Yeah, the same day.
Yeah. We got a bit bored in jailbreak, so we played Minecraft for a bit. And then we decided to go back to Roblox and me make another video. You know what I mean?
Because Conan's world wasn't working.
Yeah.
Wait, Conan, I have 272 coin things.
I have 158.
I didn't know I had that much. Hold on. I'm going to do a pet. Can I know? I can almost get the gold dodge.
I used to have the golden dodge. I don't know what happened. I literally lost everything.
Guys, comment below if you think we should keep on playing this and try to get every single thing in the game.
Yeah.
So comment below. Comment below.
Oh, I see someone hiding. I see another guy hiding.
I'm not playing yet. I'm still waiting.
Yeah, I know.
I'm watching it. Oh my god, I think this girl's dead. Oh my god.
Oh.
The girl that
Is she? Oh, yeah, she's dead.
Who else is close?
Oh, I see someone. Down the bottom.
He's climbing up. Wait, where?
Down the bottom.
I can't see.
Near.
Oh yeah, I see him.
Yeah, that guy.
Oh my god. That was creepy. Okay, what is he doing?
How much time is there?
That's a key hiding spot right there. The trophy.
There's 25 seconds left. Dude, remember that guy? He was right there.
Oh god, yeah, I saw that. Climbing up there. Okay. I don't think I've ever done this, like that part there, through that.
Okay. Alright, just.
That was a straight dead.
He had 2 more people left to find.
Yeah. Come on, add it.
I could choose which map you want.
Store or attic?
No. Attic.
Attic, that's okay.
Yeah, I know places. I haven't actually been here since a while.
Please don't be me.
I've already got 4% of being it.
Please be me. Yeah, same. Okay, it's on us.
Azam. Azame.
Okay, let's do a race. Okay. Oh god. Come on, let's go.
Nate, if that guy sees my YouTube channel, I'm toast. Wait, I remember. Nate, remember our hiding spot behind the tires?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm going there.
Next time you go to the attic.
No.
Oh, we found this hack against the tires. But where are the other tires?
Damn it, I can't actually fit there. Hang on, I'm gonna have to quickly change my avatar.
Are you talking about the bike?
No. I'm gonna have to change my avatar.
Hold up, I'm going up. Going up the ladder. Go up top.
I'm trying to glitch in.
I'm going up the ladder. We've got 3 minutes remaining. Okay.
I hope he doesn't find me.
Where are you? Come up top. Come up to the ladder.
I can't. He's already escaped. I have to change my avatar. Come on. Create new costume. I'm just creating a random name. Newbie.
Oh god, I almost fell over that girl. I'm just gonna stand here. How do we watch?
I'm resetting my character. I reset
Oh
my
my God.
character.
This dude's dumb.
I reset my character on purpose.
Why?
Because I couldn't climb onto the thing.
Dude, this dude is so dumb. He doesn't know. Okay. He's
Oh, guys, I also found this hack. If you're it, and the game just started, just straight up leave the game, and then you'll find everyone.
Yeah.
It's true, I've done it before.
I think I did that with you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was this
That one.
year.
Pretty screwed up.
That's the exact same place where I am, but wait. Was she found?
No.
Nate, she wasn't found.
What?
Dude, that's a glitch. That's such a hack.
I'm going there next time.
Same. I see you. I'm spectating you.
I can't see him.
Dude, she's actually stuck in there.
Yeah. He's not going up to the ladder.
You're literally
There's the
up.
person right there.
I know, I saw.
Did you want to do a giveaway?
Sure.
I got a coffee. Alright guys, if you comment down below, what should we make them comment down below, Tani?
If you like plushies, I guess.
Okay. You have to say,
I don't like plushies anyway.
you have to say you've subscribed and you've hit that red icon, the red bell.
And join the group. Hang on, do I have a group? Yeah? Okay, I have to go in half an hour.
Okay. And if you have to tell in the comments that you've subscribed and you've hit that icon bell.
Hit the icon bell and all 25 seconds left. Hit the icon bell and then we'll do the giveaway.
We'll do a plushie giveaway of my character, Moya Fox. The fox.
You don't need it, but like,
If you wanna.
just subscribe and hit the icon bell
You'll be the first person to ever get a plushie.
and like.
Keeper has one.
Nice.
Okay. I was fine. Come on, please be store. We never got store. We never used to ever get store. So
I know, it was so rare, and except when I chose it.
Dude.
Nate, remember the place under the store? No, remember the freezer place? I've got 7 Nate. Dude.
I'm Jake.
I don't have Jake anymore.
Someone at the door. Just wait up. I'll be back, guys.
Okay.
I think it's almost time.
I used to have Jake, but I don't have him anymore. What are they ordering?
I'll be back.
I've actually never been in this place, guys. I've actually never been in this place. I've only been under it. God,
Okay, we're back.
I've never...
We're back, boys.
Just
We're back.
in time.
AFK.
Dude, you already found 2 people.
Yeah, I know. It's AFK. Someone
Mate, I'm in a place that none of us have been in before.
Well, where is it? I won't get you.
I'm gonna choose next round, and then I'll choose a store, and then I'll show you.
Oh my god. This girl's so dead. Boom. Gotcha.
Nate, I have yellow head, yellow arms, blue torso, and light green legs.
I can't seem to find anyone. Got him. That was easy. I literally just killed someone. Okay.
You're never going to find me, actually. I'm not joking.
Where are you?
You'll
Tell
see.
me. I swear I won't come.
I don't trust you.
I won't. Look, I see 2 people. I see a couple people here. I'm going for these guys.
Hang on. I'm going to spectate you. See if you're coming near me. Yeah, I guess you could say you're near me.
Trying to get this dude. Look at this
Use the
boy.
sprint boost.
Yeah, I know. I just did. So now I only just redid now.
You're near me.
Am I?
Yeah,
Am I getting closer?
but further.
Closer?
Further.
Oh, I see someone. I see Where is she?
Or he.
Oh, I know her. She's gone. Okay. Where are you, Connor?
You're
Am I getting
getting
lost?
further.
Further?
Closer. Closer. Hotter. Further.
Oh, someone's over there. Guardian. Okay. So, you're not up here.
Closer. Further. Closer.
So, you're here.
Further. Further.
Further?
Closer. Closer.
Oh, I think I know. where you
Further.
are. Okay. Further?
Further. Further. Closer.
I think I know where you are now.
You'll never find me until next round.
You're around the corner, aren't you?
No, I was on the block above you.
Okay. Oh wait, what?
I'm choosing it. I chose it.
Dude, stop. Just don't pick me. You can't. I got 3%.
I got 10.34.
I'm gonna get golden dodge.
Oh, it just passed me. Dude, it's still going. Alright, good. Nate, follow me.
This isn't letting me
Alright guys, I'll have to end the video here. Sorry about that.
Why do you have to end the video here?
I'll see you in the next video. Bye!